Everyone, how's it going? This is a Phoenix 8 AMOLED and a Phoenix 8 solar comparison. So this one guy says that the solar is the better option for that. Now obviously you can go ahead and read all of these things. So this guy, when he used the AMOLED version, there were no bugs, things like that, and then it will take you some time to get used to it, but then you'll be used to the new UI in some time, so there will be no problem with that. But this guy didn't feel that the AMOLED was for them, right? uh, they were already used to an MIP screen, the battery screen, everything was good on the AMOLED, but they were still stuck on the MIP that they were using previously. And after using the solar version, they went back to the MIP. But the thing is that they still feel like the uh, solar one is the best because it represents the best for both the AMOLED and the MIP. So obviously solar wins this one. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.